Imagine yourself lost in a financial wilderness. No map, no compass, just you and a seemingly endless path ahead. Daunting, isn't it? Now picture this. A strong wolf pack working together. They hunt, share resources, and protect each other in the world of finance. Having a similar support system can be just as crucial for success. Welcome to Nature's Academy, where we learn valuable life lessons from the creatures around us. Today's topic: learning from the wolf pack, building a support system for financial success. Wolves are social creatures. They rely on their pack for survival, sharing knowledge, skills, and resources. Similarly, a strong financial support system can help you achieve your goals faster and more effectively. There are many benefits to having a financial support system. Consider a mentor, a financial advisor, or even a group of friends on a similar financial journey. These individuals can offer guidance and advice. They can share their financial knowledge and experiences, helping you avoid common pitfalls. Hold you accountable. A good support system keeps you motivated and on track with your financial goals. Provide emotional support. Financial challenges can be stressful. Your support system can offer encouragement and a sense of community. Just like wolves share their prey, a strong financial support system is built on sharing resources and knowledge. Don't be afraid to ask for help or offer your own expertise to others. So, how do you find your financial pack? Look for individuals who share your financial goals and values. Here are some places to start: financial workshops and seminars. These events are a great way to meet like-minded people and learn from financial experts. Online communities. There are numerous online forums and groups dedicated to personal finance. Find one that resonates with you. Professional advisors. Financial advisors can provide personalized guidance and support based on your unique needs. Remember, not all financial advisors are created equal. Do your research and find someone you feel comfortable with and who aligns with your financial goals. With a strong financial support system by your side, you can create a powerful financial house of success. Here are some tips to nurture your financial pack. Communicate openly and honestly. Share your financial goals and challenges with your support system. Celebrate milestones together. Whether it's paying off debt or saving for a big purchase, celebrate your achievements with your financial pack. Give back to your community, share your knowledge and experience with others who are also on their financial journey. Building a strong financial support system isn't just about receiving help, it's about giving back as well. By working together and sharing your knowledge, you can all reach your financial goals and howl with financial success. Just like a wolf pack roams freely through the wilderness, your financial journey will have its ups and downs. There will be times when the path seems unclear and obstacles may arise. But remember, even when faced with challenges, a wolf pack never gives up. They rely on each other for strength and support. The same is true for your financial support system. They will be there to encourage you and help you navigate through difficult times. Remember, financial success isn't a solo adventure. Embrace the power of the pack, whether it's a mentor, financial advisor, or your financial cheerleading squad. Having a strong support system can make all the difference in your financial journey. We at Nature's Academy believe in the power of community and shared knowledge. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to take it to the next level, we're here to support you. Join the Nature's Academy pack by subscribing to our channel. For more animal-inspired financial wisdom, we also love hearing from our viewers. Leave a comment below and tell us about your financial support system. or what kind of financial creatures you'd like to see featured next. Thanks for joining us on this financial adventure. Remember, you are not alone. Together, we can all howl with financial confidence.